Welcome to my YouTube channel Hindusatan Times. Today we are taking a deep and powerful look at the YFQ-44 Fury, one of the most advanced AI combat drones ever created and a true symbol of the future of aerial warfare. The Fury stands at the top of next-generation military engineering, a machine built for domination, precision, and technological superiority. Every inch of this drone reflects cutting-edge innovation, from its stealth-focused body to the AI systems that control its movements with unmatched intelligence. The sleek aerodynamic shape of the Fury is designed to glide through the air with minimal radar visibility, giving it the ability to enter even the most heavily defended battle zones without being detected. Its ultra-light yet incredibly strong materials allow it to withstand extreme stress while maintaining high maneuverability and flawless stability in the air. The Fury's propulsion system is one of its most impressive features. It delivers rapid acceleration, intense high-speed performance, and the ability to perform sharp, complex aerial maneuvers that most fighter aircraft cannot match. This drone doesn't just fly. It dominates the skies with a level of agility and smoothness that feels almost unreal. Its AI-driven brain processes battlefield data in real time, giving it the power to make instant decisions with perfect accuracy. Whether it's identifying enemy threats, selecting targets, or launching precision strikes, the Fury carries out every action with lightning speed and flawless execution. This allows it to operate in dangerous environments where sending human pilots would be a great risk. Equipped with an advanced sensor suite, the Fury can see through darkness, storms, heavy fog, and even camouflage. Nothing can hide from its multi-spectrum detection systems, which continuously scan the battlefield and update targeting information every second. The drone's avionics are fully integrated with electronic warfare tools, allowing it to jam enemy radar, interfere with communication systems, and slip through hostile defenses without leaving a trace. The Fury can carry a wide range of precision-guided weapons capable of destroying high-value targets from long distances. Its defensive countermeasures enable it to evade missiles and enemy fire, making it extremely difficult to shoot down. What makes the YFQ-44 Fury truly extraordinary is its autonomy. This machine doesn't just follow commands. It thinks, reacts, adapts, and learns. Its advanced AI algorithms analyze patterns, predict enemy movement, and constantly upgrade their strategies. Every mission makes the Fury smarter and more efficient, giving it an advantage that grows over time. It can operate alone or coordinate seamlessly with a swarm of other drones, performing missions that would be impossible for traditional aircraft. This swarm coordination gives the Fury overwhelming battlefield presence, transforming it into a force multiplier capable of changing the entire course of an operation. Stealth plays a major role in the Fury's power. Its radar-absorbing surface, low heat signature, and carefully sculpted shape allow it to move invisibly through hostile airspace. It can approach critical targets without detection, strike with precision, and escape before enemy systems even realize what happened. This combination of stealth and speed makes it one of the most difficult drones in the world to track, let alone intercept. Its endurance allows it to stay airborne for long periods, covering massive distances without sacrificing performance or stability. The Fury's modular design means it can be upgraded quickly with new weapons, sensors, or AI improvements. It is built not only for today's battlefield but for the future, ensuring that it remains relevant as warfare evolves. This adaptability, combined with its unmatched combat performance, makes the YFQ-44 Fury a central part of modern military strategy. Every detail of the Fury speaks of engineering excellence. The precision of its sensors, the raw power of its engines, the intelligence of its AI core, and the smooth stealth profile all come together to create a combat drone that feels almost alive. Its presence alone is enough to shift the balance of power, and its abilities redefine what an unmanned aircraft can do. The YFQ-44 Fury is more than a drone. It is the future of combat. It represents the next era of warfare where speed, intelligence, and autonomy will decide victory. With its remarkable combination of stealth, firepower, endurance, and AI-driven decision-making, the Fury stands as one of the most impressive aerial machines ever developed. It is a masterpiece of innovation, a symbol of technological dominance, and a powerful tool designed to secure the skies with unmatched precision and force.